Hey Tech Vibe fam, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something every Apple user has been waiting for. The next generation Apple TV 4K 2025 is shaping up to be one of the biggest upgrades the lineup has seen in years. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether you should buy the current Apple TV, or wait for the upcoming powerhouse that may completely change how you stream, game, and control your smart home. So sit tight, because what's coming might surprise you. Let's kick this off with performance. The talk around the industry is that Apple is preparing a massive performance jump for the 2025 model. And the biggest clue? Apple is expected to move to the same high-end chip used in its latest flagship iPhones. That means faster loading times, smoother navigation, dramatically better gaming performance, and enough power for advanced on-device AI features. If you're someone who streams in 4K HDR, runs Apple Arcade titles, or multitasks between apps, this upgrade won't just feel faster, it will feel like a completely new class of device. But it doesn't stop there. One of the biggest rumored changes is improved connectivity. Expect next-generation wireless support, possibly Wi-Fi 7 or at least an advanced version of Wi-Fi 6E, which means more stable streaming, lower latency, and better performance in crowded networks. That's a big win for households in the US, UK, Canada, Europe, and other premium countries where gigabit internet is becoming more common. Another major enhancement that's being talked about is support for modern smart home standards like Thread and Matter. Apple is clearly pushing the Apple TV deeper into its role as a smart home hub, not just a streaming box. With better wireless capabilities and more power, the 2025 Apple TV could become the central brain of your entire home setup, from lights and thermostats to cameras and security systems. And here's where things get even more interesting. There's a possibility the upcoming Apple TV could include a built-in camera. Imagine FaceTime on your big screen without pairing your iPhone. Imagine gesture controls or advanced fitness tracking right from your TV. While nothing is confirmed, even the possibility shows just how far Apple might be taking its living room experience. But what about design? While Apple isn't expected to completely reinvent the look, small but meaningful refinements are likely. Better thermals to handle the more powerful chipset. Slightly slimmer or cleaner shapes. An improved remote, and yes, many users are begging for one. And potentially new finishes to match Apple's modern hardware aesthetic. Now let's talk about the question everyone asks first, the price. The current Apple TV 4K starts at $129. But for 2025, things could go in one of two directions. Apple may introduce a more affordable base model, something under $100, designed to compete with mainstream streaming sticks in global markets. Or, Apple may lean into premium performance and price the new high-end model higher, especially if it includes next-gen wireless, console-level performance, or advanced AI features. Either way, there's a real chance we'll see two models. A standard version for everyday streaming. And a Pro or Max version for gamers, smart home users, and performance enthusiasts. Now, release date. Based on Apple's recent product cycles, the new Apple TV 4K is expected around late 2025, likely between September and November. But there's one twist. If Apple is integrating new AI features tied to major software updates, the release could shift to early 2026 to align with a larger ecosystem rollout. So what does all of this mean for you? If you're living in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, or any premium market country, the Apple TV 4K 2025 could be one of the most future-proof streaming devices you can buy. With faster wireless, stronger processing power, deeper smart home integration, and the possibility of AI features, it could become the centerpiece of your entire home entertainment setup. But here's the real question: should you wait? If you already own the 2021 or 2022 Apple TV 4K, you might be happy for now, unless you want better gaming performance or Apple's newest AI features. But if you're thinking of buying a new Apple TV today, it might be smart to hold off a little longer. The expected jump in performance and features is big enough that waiting could be worth it. Now here's my personal take. The Apple TV has slowly evolved from a simple streaming box into a multi-purpose living room device. And with 2025's model, Apple seems ready to push it even further. This could be the first Apple TV that truly lives up to the idea of a home hub, combining media, gaming, smart home controls, and AI into a single, polished ecosystem. Is it going to replace your gaming console? Probably not. Is it going to replace your smart home hub? Very likely. Is it going to make your TV feel smarter, faster, smoother, and more Apple-like than ever? Absolutely. The only X factor now is the price, and how aggressive Apple wants to be. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Would you buy a more powerful Apple TV if it meant paying more? Or do you want Apple to release a budget version under $100? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'll be reading every one. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay ahead of every major Apple update, hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Vibe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, stay tech savvy, and I'll see you in the next video.